Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Ford F-150 Super Crew XLT 4x4. The clean and smooth running engine. I'll go ahead and close that up. Take you for a tour. Let's have the tow hooks up front, alloy wheels. It also does have the external keypad on the door frame, which I use in my F-150 all the time. Got a tow package. Bed looks brand new. This one does have the Ecoboost in the engine. I also have an Ecoboost engine and absolutely love it. This one does have fabric seats and all kinds of room in the back. It does have additional power supplies and USB ports right there. There is the VIN. All right, down here we have our trip computer and push to talk, infotainment, toggles. So I'm going to try to get out here. As you see, we have 6,194 miles on this vehicle. And it's averaging 20 miles per gallon. All right, so that's all working correctly. Okay, here's your stereo. The sources are AM, FM, and Bluetooth. And then, of course, you have your phone connection and your apps. A lot more of these apps will come along through your phone. And then you have your settings. Come down here, you have your 2- and 4-wheel drive toggles, your stereo controls, your comfort controls. Then you have 2 USB ports, additional power port, and stowage down here. As you come up here, you've got your cup holders and additional stowage down here. This will also fold up into another seat so that it'll seat 6. As you come up here, you're going to have your map reading lights. All right, that about wraps it up for this F-150 on the interior. Okay, this particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's another vehicle that ran into it. The damage was here on this side and on that back middle right there. The airbags did deploy, but there was no structural damage. We got it all fixed up and it has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.